Bula, 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 everybody. It's Baron Bruno at Professionals. Whoa, we have an amazing house for you today. If you are looking to rent a house on Denarau Island, whoa, this is it. 5-bed, 5.5 bath, 2-car enclosed garage. This thing is awesome. 2-story, there's your laundry room. This is gonna take a while. You just gotta bear with me. This is incredible. Straight ahead of you is a full walk-in, just like you see in restaurants. Yeah, they've got that whole thing here. So if you wanna entertain, bring it on. You can put so much stuff in there. Look at that gas burner stovetop, a Miele coffee maker built in, microwave, fridge, double sink, bar area to sit in. Look at this entry lounge area. Look at all this sitting area. Yeah, the bar area outside. There is so much going on for this house. It is off the charts. Amazing. This is all available for 9,000 Fijian dollars a month. And I mean, you can have so many people living here. If you've got a big family or a lot of executives coming into Fiji, this is a winner. A couple other special things. You have utility sinks in some of these downstairs rooms, and also this is ADA, as we say in American Disabilities Act, but this is in Fiji, so this will allow for anyone with disabilities to come in and use, just roll right in if they have a wheelchair or disabilities. That's the first room downstairs. This is the second, and you can see they've just cleaned it up. It's just spectacular here. There's their second bathroom. Nice walk-in with built-ins over there. Of course, all the rooms have the air conditioners, the fans, vaulted ceiling. Look at all the lighting in here. Okay, come with me. We have to go see even more of the house. Beautiful. That is actually a ginger. So that's one of the tropical gingers that come in so many beautiful colors. You've got the yellow there, and then of course it comes in pink and red, a number of other different colors. And then of course you have the bamboo there on the wall. So notice the accent color paints, wood floors. Again, each room has that nice utility sink, little mini fridge, so you don't have to go downstairs if you want a cold drink at night. Again, really, really beautiful shower area, mirrored closet doors. And check this out. This is an extra storage area up here. Yeah, bring those golf clubs, bring those kiteboards, surfboards, all those water activities. If you're a scuba diver, you can put your scuba tanks up there. This is some of the best soft coral diving in the world. So there is another bedroom with the canister air conditioners on the ceiling, which just crank. They work so well. Look at the natural light here in this bathroom. Double sinks, lots of counter space, and just 2 double showers in there. Okay, come around with me. We're not done yet. Here is another bedroom upstairs. Gorgeous, right? And if that's not enough, yeah, let's just come up, maybe shoot some pool, right? All these open up. Big, huge deck. You can access the downstairs just right there. You can go outside, and look at that. You got your own boat jetty. You have to bring your boat, and you can see across there, look at, he's cleaning the other boat over there. And then straight across, you're gonna see the Port Denarau Marina just over there. So you could literally take a kayak or a boat, or if you're really adventurous, you can swim over to Port Denarau Marina and meet us over there at Cardo's or Indigo or Mama's or Amalfi, all the great restaurants that are there. This house is just super, super convenient. And if you're looking to entertain, I'm telling you, this is A+. So walk with me here. We're gonna come around. Here's a nice half bath for guests, and boom, look at this. Massive living room, big screen TV. You got all these loads of books and DVDs and things like that to keep yourself entertained. More importantly, Beautiful sitting areas. Yeah, look at that built-in barbecue area. I mean, keep your cold drinks there, put some things on the Barbie, and you're all set. Get off your boat just there, throw your things down on the bar, grab yourself a cold drink, jump into that pool with the infinity edge, and just enjoy yourself. This is Fiji living, my friends. Come have a look. We're so excited for you to get here. Planes are going to be in the air soon. Listen to those birds singing. You can go up there, grab yourself a coconut, some fresh boo juice, and live the Fiji lifestyle. This is just spectacular, and we're so happy to be here in Fiji, and we look forward to seeing you here soon too. Vanaka.